In this video, we'll explain the vertical up triangle weave with the OTC robot. The first parameter is the frequency. That's how many times per second the torch travels from side to side. The next parameter is amplitude, right and left. That's the distance that the torch travels side to side. Next is the stopping time. There's quarter, center, and 3/4. These are where the torch pauses and the time they pause. Next is the weave angle, positive 45 degrees right, positive 45 degrees left. That causes the torch to do this motion. And the next one is push angle, which is negative 45 left, right, negative 45 left. And this causes the torch to do a motion like this. So those two weave and push angles together creates a triangle or Christmas tree motion. And the weld from this weave should look something like this.